All right, we are going to be looking at factoring a trinomial when you have a term of 1 and you have a C term that is positive and a B term that is positive. So the first thing you're going to do with your trinomial is you're going to write the factors of the C term. In this particular expression, we have x squared plus 19x plus 48. A is 1, B is 19, and our C term is 48. So what we're going to do first is we're going to find all of the factors of 48. And in each pair of factors, we're going to write the largest number first. So the factors of 48 would be 48 and 1, 24 and 2, 16 and 3, and 8 and 6. And we also have 12 and 4. So these are all of our factors in descending order of 48. Now, once we have the factors of the C term, we're going to actually look at the sign that precedes the C term, in this case, which is a positive, since the C term is positive, and we're going to use that to indicate how we are going to apply that operation to the factors. So I am then going to come down here and I'm going to put an addition sign between each pair of factors that we've come up with for 48. What this is going to enable us to do is use this sum of these factors to figure out which terms we're going to use in our parentheses factors to give us the B term. So in step 3, you're going to choose the factors that add to make the middle term, our B term, which in this case is 19. So for each of these sums, we have 49, 26, and here is 19, 16 plus 3. 19 is the number that we're looking for, so these are the two factors that we're going to use to move on to the next step. For step 4, we're going to write these two terms with the largest number first in the parentheses with our x's for our factors. So we are going to have 16 and we're going to have 3. Again, those are the two factors of our C term, 48, that when added together, we used addition because the sign preceding the 48 was an addition sign, was a positive sign. Those two factors added together equaled 19. That sum of 19 is our B term. So there, hence we have the 16 and the 3. For step 5, we're always going to make sure that the larger factor always matches the sign in front of the B term. So if we look at our B term, we have a positive 19. That means that of our two factors that we've now created, the positive has to go with the larger number. The larger factor has to have the same sign as our B value. Now, in addition to this, if the last term, the 48, is also positive, that means that the two signs within the parentheses are going to be the same. So our two factors will be x plus 16 and x plus 3. If you want to check your work, you can always use FOIL, first, outer, inner, last, and find the products and see if you come out after you use the FOIL process and end up with the original expression, this trinomial up here. The 16 and the 3, 16 plus 3, another way to determine the signs is we're looking for a positive 19, and the only way we can do that is with a positive 16 and a positive 3. So that is how you factor a trinomial, which is, in this case, a quadratic trinomial with an x squared term, using the process where your A term is a 1. There will be another process we will use when the A term is not 1. But the example we just looked at is when B is positive and C is positive.